The 6-axis mini-industrial robot arm is a flexible and effective solution in many manufacturing applications, especially in the automotive and electronics industries. Compact size, suitable for limited space in production lines. High flexibility, 6 axes help the robot to perform complex movements, simulating human arms. Integrated sensors and AI can be programmed to automatically adjust to each task. Optimize space, operate efficiently even in small areas. Reduce labor costs, automate repetitive tasks, reduce dependence on human resources. Improve accuracy, fewer errors compared to manual operations.